Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn Chapter 3 of Class 11th English Hornbill, Discovering Tut. The saga continues by A.R. Williams. In this video, we will understand the chapter in a simple way, along with its summary, themes, moral, and conclusion. So, let's begin. This chapter is about King Tutankhamun, also known as King Tut, the young pharaoh of ancient Egypt. He became king at the age of 9 and died when he was only 18 or 19 years old. His sudden death remained a mystery for many years. In 2005, scientists used a CT scan to study his mummy and find clues about how he died. Discovery of King Tut's tomb in 1922. British archaeologist Howard Carter discovered King Tut's tomb. The tomb was filled with gold, jewelry, furniture, and many priceless treasures. However, the mummy had become stuck to the coffin because of hardened resins. To remove it, Carter separated the mummy into different parts, which caused permanent damage. On 6 January 2005, King Tut's mummy was taken for a CT scan. The scan produced thousands of detailed images of his body. Scientists carefully examined his bones and other body parts without causing any further damage. This modern technology helped researchers learn more about the young king and his physical condition. The CT scan revealed many important details about King Tut's mummy. Scientists gained valuable information about his bones and overall health. However, even after careful examination, they could not determine the exact cause of his death. Although modern science answered many questions, the mystery of King Tut's death remained unsolved. Mystery of Tut's death. Many people believed that King Tut was murdered. Others thought he died because of an illness or an accident. Scientists carefully studied all the available evidence, but they could not find a definite answer. This shows that some historical mysteries cannot be solved completely, even with advanced technology. The chapter highlights several important themes. These include the importance of history, archaeology, modern science, the preservation of ancient heritage, and the search for truth. It teaches us that science can help us understand the past, but some mysteries may still remain unanswered. The moral of this chapter is that we should respect and protect our historical heritage. Modern science plays an important role in uncovering the secrets of the past. At the same time, we must accept that not every mystery can be solved. The chapter beautifully shows how history and science work together to increase our knowledge. Thank you for watching. If you found